Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today is Wednesday, July 16th. I got a lot to cover today, so I'm going to talk real fast. Wells Fargo to the rescue. The old stagecoach and bank company did what the Senate, the Congress, the Fed chairman, and the Treasury Secretary were not able to accomplish in 2 days of jawboning on Capitol Hill. They were able to add some stability to the market, and the message they sent was not all banks are going to go broke, at least not Wells Fargo. So it produced a rally, and as the rally started, I was not that impressed with it, but as the day wore on, it started to take on more and more significance, and I'll point that out in our final segment when we go over our major indexes. I think we've got something brewing. I think we've got a change coming, and I'm going to point that out to you. It hasn't happened yet. It's going to take a few days, but we'll show you what we're going to be looking for anyway. Okay, what did I do today? I covered Red Hat. I think I missed the bottom yesterday. We put in a big reversal day yesterday. It wouldn't give up any ground today. I had a small profit in it, 4.5%. I wasn't going to let it get away, so I covered the short. I think it's way too late to start establishing short positions, so you're not going to see any from me for a while. Right now we're going to be focusing on the long side of the market. I got a new idea for you tomorrow. It is on the long side. It's in a stock we've been in before. You'll recognize it. It's CPSL. And after we take a look at that, we'll look at AVR, the one stock we bought early this morning, because that's shaping up even better than it looked yesterday. So without further ado, let's go take a look at CPSL, and I'll show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. Don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of CPSL. This is a call on the long side. We're looking to buy this stock tomorrow, 4:30 where it closed. I'd like to see it pull back down to around 4:15, 4:16. That's where I would like to buy it. On a pullback, my short-term indicator is extremely overbought, so I think we're going to get some sort of weakness tomorrow, but it also fits into my plan. Give us an opportunity to buy this stock. I've got a target here of $8 a share. It's been there before, not too long ago. And sell stop, 389, but I don't know why you'd want to use it because we've got so much support over here. I just don't see any downside risk in this at all. I think the world would have to blow up first. That's our support area, all this. The last time it was down here, it got to there. Now it's back down here again, and I think it's going to do the same thing. So I'll take you through it. The last time we bought it right here, this day, I think. It was either this day or this day, and this is what it produced. Now it's back down to support, bounces, runs into this little resistance here, back down to support, and now it looks like it's turning the corner. This is a little, let me zoom in just a little bit for you. This is a ascending triangle it's forming. Oops. Oh, wow, I erased the wrong thing. Bear with me. The more hurry, the less speed. Slow down, you get there faster. Okay, there's our ascending triangle. Today was our breakout. I'd like to see it pull back, and then we'll go again. Okay, so let me recap that. That CPSL, it's a call on the long side. And depending on where we buy this, I think you can make almost $4 on this trade. All right, let's take a look at AVR, stock we bought this morning. Let me remind you why we bought it. We're looking at this ascending triangle. I said it had broken through it. It didn't close above it, but it had penetrated it. It was a good sign. It was backing and filling, and I thought when it finished backing and filling, the next move would be up, and that's what we got today. It gave us almost 11% since we bought it. So this is looking pretty good, this position. This is our target, this $8.50. This pattern right here, I think, is probably going to be the resistance area, and I think it will give it some trouble when it gets there. So that's why that's our target. Okay, that's AVAR. We'll put that into our portfolio. Now let's get to the major indexes, because there's a lot to be said here. Now, this is the Dow Jones. I've been talking about this pattern for a couple of days. It caught my eye. I couldn't put my finger on why I thought it was an interesting pattern, but I think it's starting to reveal itself to me now. I think this is the left side of a V bottom. I think the right side is going to come up similar to the left side, only on this side. We also have what I call a dangling participle. Sister Mary Prudence in 3rd grade taught me about dangling participles, and there we have one right there. Remember this one and this one? Only these were bearish ones. Now we've got a bullish one forming. Plus we were able to break above this first resistance area. Now we're into this resistance area, and I do expect a pullback, because my short-term indicator is extremely overbought and it needs to pull back. But I don't think any pullback is going to break the low of this day. So let me draw the left side of the V in, and we'll take a look at it on an hourly basis. Looks a little clearer. Okay. This looks almost like the head of a reverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, I think it's still forming the right shoulder. I think we're going to come down one more time. I don't think we're going to penetrate this low. Get down into here, get the indicator nice and oversold, and then we'll come back up again, and the next time up we may get to the major resistance, which I believe we want to break out of eventually. We may get there, and we may have to pull back one more time, because things don't happen in just one day. It takes a little while to get through these resistance areas. So I think a pullback, another rally up into the resistance, another pullback, and then the third time I think we go through. Now, if we come down and we break this low, and we come down here, my theory gets aborted. But as of right now, I think that pattern has got a very good chance of doing what I just explained. Take a look at the transportation average. Resistance has the dangling participle. Important. Take a look at an hourly. There it is. Now we're overbought. We're into this major resistance area here, so I expect to pull back in this also. But I don't think we're going to break the low. I think we're going to hold above the old low. I think we'll stay above this low right here on the next pullback. And I think we're going to make this look like a reverse head and shoulders too. This being the head, this will be the left shoulder, and I think we still have to form the right shoulder. Russell 2000, the most outstanding of all the indexes today. Why? It got above that resistance, it got above that resistance, and it actually penetrated this resistance. Plus it has our dangling participle. A lot of pieces falling into place here for a summer rally. But I do believe this has to pull back one more time here. I don't think we can go straight up. I think we're very overbought short term. QQQQs, same look. Dangling participle, which basically looks like the head of a reverse head and shoulders. I think we've got to come down one more time. I don't think we're going to penetrate this low here. And I think we have a very good chance within a few days of backing and filling of getting above that resistance right there, because this also has that look of the V bottom. See it? The left side, and I think we've got to work on the right side, and then we'll come through the top. So that's my theory. We'll see how it plays out. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.